Welcome all to Nature's Pulse. Today, let us watch a beautiful bird of prey in the family Accipitidae, namely Brahminy kite. They are found in the Indian subcontinent, Southeast Asia, and Australia. Adults have a reddish brown body plumage contrasting with their white head and breast, which make them easy to distinguish from other birds of prey. The Brahminy kite is distinctive and contrastingly colored with chestnut plumage except for the white head and breast and black wing tips. Wow, here is the wonderful perching of Brahminy kite on the branches of a teak tree that I could observe so closely from my home backyard. Just look. This kite is a familiar sight in the skies of Sri Lanka, Nepal, India, Pakistan, Bangladesh and Southeast Asia. They perform seasonal movements. It belongs to phylum Chordata, class Aves, order Accipitриformes and family Accipitidae, and its scientific name is Haliastur indus. So they perform seasonal movements associated with rainfall in some parts of their range. Again, another wonderful perching on the tip of the coconut leaves. Look. The breeding season in South Asia is from December to April. The nests are constructed of small branches and sticks with a bowl inside and lined with leaves and are located in various trees, often mangroves. Both parents take part in nest building and feeding, but only the female incubates. Here this Brahminy kite is cleaning its wings. Just look, flies away. It is primarily a scavenger, feeding mainly on dead fish and crabs, but occasionally hunts live prey also. They may also indulge in kleptoparasitism, means it attempt to steal prey from other birds. So in Hinduism, it is considered as the contemporary representation of Garuda, the sacred bird of Vishnu. Here you can see the juvenile ones also. They are browner but can be distinguished by the paler appearance, shorter wings and rounded tail. Females tend to be slightly larger than the males. They have a sharp, high-pitched call. And the Brahminy kites are known to be opportunistic scavengers. Their diet is highly influenced by habitat and food availability. They usually fly above the ground also. They are considered as least concern on the IUCN Red List. But in certain regions of their range, their population is declining. Hope it was informative to you. Please share the video. Thank you all dears for watching.